Hello everyone, welcome back to Shooters Arena. Today I am unboxing two air pistol. We have both options. One is CO2 air revolver and the other one is Springfield armory air pistol. Both are CO2 powered. This is Dan Mason 715 215 inch revolver. So you can put both pellets flathead like this. You can put hornet pellet and you can put flathead and sharp on both. So I have already made video of 2.5 inch Dan Mason. You just have a look. 0.357 Magnum. This is 0.357 Magnum, and this is full metal body chrome. I just show you how to operate it. Just click it and it comes out. Very realistic. Gripping is very good. Like this, you can see. The other model is, we move on to other model, which is Springfield armory, which fires BBs. So this one is a model. It has wooden grip color, very realistic, and big hole from front, as you can see. And this is blowback, 18 shot, like this. And now you can use safety lock, as it doesn't fire, as you can see. Now I am moving to magazine. I'll put 4 drop of, as I told you in every video, put 4 drop of oil like this. Use Allen key. Rotate it. It's here now, just little bit, and we put BBs here very easily. This is 18 shot magazine, and all these are metal BBs. Just put it easily, and then I'll show you how to fire it. That's it. Just like this. Just slightly push it, and I'll show you how to load it. This is the rear side. Already loaded. Just fire, put it on fire. This is blowback model, as I told you. Continuously firing. When there is no BB in the magazine, it goes like this. Like this. You just have to click it and it's done. And then just fire it and hold the, like this. It's done. Put it in safety. Only it goes in safety when it's like this. Then this is full chrome. You can see the chrome barrel. This model have a double action from back, and like this. You click it, then it fires. And the model have very realistic look, as you can see. Full metal body, big hole from front, rear side, wooden grip, as you can see the mark, very beautiful. To remove the magazine, you just click this and it comes out, very easy. Okay, thank you. You can put cork in front of barrel for loud sound.